In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to mount your Bush cordless handstick vacuum to a wall. Choose a suitable location, which is close to a socket and not in a position where it could be knocked off the wall. To fit the bracket for your vacuum, you will need drill fitted with a 6mm drill bit, Phillips head screwdriver, pencil, ruler, spirit level. It is important to be certain that there are no cables or pipes in the wall before mounting. We also recommend wearing eye protection and a dust mask whilst using the drill. Place the bracket in a position that means that the vacuum is not touching the floor. Ensure the bracket is level with the spirit level, then mark the fixing holes with a pencil. If fixing to a brick wall, use a masonry drill bit and drill 30mm in. Then, insert the wall plugs supplied. If you are fixing to hollow plasterboard, use a drill bit suitable for wood and use wall anchors that are suitable for cavity walls. Next, hold the bracket so that the fixing holes align with the holes that you have drilled. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to insert the screws into the mounting points. Ensure that the bracket is firmly attached before charging your vacuum. You can now slide your vacuum onto the bracket and put it on charge.